Hello and welcome. Welcome to the TV room. I'm not using a microphone here, so I'm trying to speak up. This is going to be a short video on keyboard cleaning. This is a Commodore PET keyboard. There are a lot of keys. And when a keyboard does not work, and boy, this one, it only had one key that worked. That's what I do. It always seems to work well. I take a swab. I coat it in alcohol. And then I clean. Now, with keyboards that aren't very dirty, this can be accomplished quite quickly. But with keyboards that are just filthy, and once again, I don't know how long I should be doing this for. I just know what I do, and I know that it works. So I take this swab, coat it in alcohol, and go at the pad. And I don't know for how long I do it. I just do it for however long it seems to be necessary. And of course, the swab is getting dirty. Then, when I've done that, I take the other end of the swab and I douse it in alcohol. And I do it all again. And how long do I do it for? I don't know. I just do it for as long with each one as I think that I need to do. I have been working on this keyboard. Don't drop the swab. Don't drop the swab. Since, well, I started last night and I didn't finish, so now it's early in the morning. It is. Some people would say this is excessive. Some people would say, oh, you should just paint the things. And yes, that's possible. But typically what I do when I'm doing this is I do try to find something interesting on television. And I kind of listen to it while I make sure that I'm still actually hitting this key in this pad. So as you, well, maybe you can't see. The keys on the regular part of the keyboard are all kind of diagonal. These are all very square. Oh, there's the swab. These are all very square. I'm down to the number pad. So for each key, one swab, both ends, alcohol both times. I'm now down to 19 keys to go. That's all. That's it. Anyway, well, thanks for coming. I hope this has helped you in preparing to take a keyboard apart and clean it. Remember, this keyboard, there was one key that worked, the D key. The other ones, nothing, absolutely nothing. So that is when I invoke the very lengthy process. Take off the back of the keyboard, unsolder the things, and then every single key pad gets two ends of the Q-tip drenched in alcohol, and then I move on. So thanks for coming. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.